hope you're all doing well. Welcome to update number 2 of my half marathon journey. If you haven't seen update number 1, I will put the link up in the corner as well as in the description below. That pretty much covers the prep weeks and the first official week of training. In today's update, we're going to take a look at week 2 and 3. So enough in blabbering, let's get going. Week number 2. Saturday, July 24th? I don't remember what day it is. Anyways, had my long run this morning, called for 4.5 miles. Actually ended up going at about 4.8 miles, 2 of which I forgot to restart my watch. Happens, second time this week, so yeah, still counts, so it's 4.8. Completed. So now we're slowly starting to add some mileage. This last week, pretty much just simple half-mile increments. Overall, it felt pretty good. After Wednesday's run, I did have a minor knee ache, so I pretty much took it easy for the rest of that day and just, listening to my body in terms of how I was feeling. But by the next day, I was pretty much good to go. I did improve slightly on my pace this whole entire week, so that was pretty much a welcome surprise. I know it's gonna change as, we're still in the early phase of training, so I'll take it for the moment. And I did manage to wake up a little bit early, which is fantastic. As I mentioned before, I'm not a morning person, so that's a bit of an achievement for me. I think that's it for week number 2. If I forget anything, I'll, add it after this next week. But for now, On to week number 3.
I got nothing more to lose.
Cloudy morning on Monday, and it actually rained last night. It's pretty good sight to see all these clouds this morning.
They say you have to live to learn. Maybe that's why I question burn. I got news for you.
It's starting to rain. You can see the floor or ground is getting wet, and I can feel it getting stronger, so luckily almost home.
I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. Listen to my drum as I bang. I'm not gonna be silent in this beer I wang. Oh, you know I'm not that kind of girl. I'm much better off in the underworld. I've got news for you, and things I wanna pursue. I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. I got the wind in my hair, oh Kilimanjaro. And my wings are gonna silence you, Kilimanjaro. And my legs are gonna turn into a tail, oh Kilimanjaro. Oh Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro.
Alright, today we're going 5 miles. I told myself if I finished my 5 miles, I would get myself a little treat. So, I finished my 5 miles and got myself a treat. Alright, week 3 is now also completed. I really did enjoy that bit of rain earlier this week. I wish it would actually rain more here in Southern California, but you know what, sunshine's pretty good too. Overall, week 3 went pretty good. My furthest so far since starting running again is at 5 miles, which is awesome. And I did keep on par with my pace from the previous week, which is about between a 10:30 to 11 minutes per mile pace. So, as again I've mentioned previously, it may change here and there, so we'll go with the flow with it. I did start wearing a knee brace on my left knee as I am prone to runner's knee as we get to the higher mileages. This is where my strength training does come into importance with my stretching as well as the foam rolling, because as we get further down the line, I want to prevent injury as much as possible, which, you know, things do happen, but hopefully, knock on wood, everything will be okay. And that is it for this update. Thank you so much for joining me on my half marathon journey. I really truly do appreciate it. And please do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure to share with you, plus many more adventures and training updates to come. So you don't want to miss out on any of that in these coming weeks. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.